Okay, Akitas aren't supposed to be scared of anything, but this is a coyote. You're an Akita, Himeko. You're not supposed to be scared of anything. It's not even moving, and it doesn't even have a smell. Oh. Go see it, sweetie. Go see it. Come see. Up. Come say hi. Come, come. I thought Akitas were supposed to be fearless. This coyote's half your size. You're 96 pounds, and if this was this is a life-size replica of a coyote, which is probably 40 pounds. Aren't you supposed to be the bear dog? She's scared. Go see. You want to sniff? There you go. See? It's fine. It's little compared to you.
Wants her mallet.
Go away from there. Go away from there.
Hey.
Let me go.